It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, smartphone wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac, second to none. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.